How to find your likes history on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your likes history on Instagram. Every post you like on Instagram, they're gonna show up on this list I'm gonna give you today. So it's so easy and quick. Let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram, and when you go to your Instagram, go to your profile. Now click on those three lines up there. Click on your activity and click on interaction, which is the third choice. Now click on likes, which is the second choice, and you're gonna find all your activity on Instagram. And this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.